Whether you're pregnant, a nursing mother, a parent, or simply someone who wants to add a healthy twist to your diet, this video is made just for you. Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're joining me for the first time, it's such a joy to have you here. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate you. Are you worried about refined sugar in your meals? Are you looking for healthier alternative? I've got great news. Dates are nature's sweet gifts, small but mighty fruits packed with energy, fiber, potassium, and essential vitamins. They are a perfect reminder that the simplest foods often bring the greatest benefits. Dates can be enjoyed fresh or transformed into powder, paste, or syrup. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make date paste all by yourself at home with this simple method, because over the years, swapping refined sugar for dates has been one of the best choices I've made for my family's diets. Begin by placing a portion of dates into a bowl. The first step is to remove the seeds from the fruits before blending. I find it easier to cut the dates open from the edges rather than the sides, just as I'm demonstrating in the video. Taking out the seeds is important because date seeds are extremely hard and can damage a blender that isn't strong enough. In addition, if seeds aren't removed properly, the rough particles may remain in the paste, making it difficult to digest and potentially harmful for toddlers or babies who won't notice them in their meals. I recommend keeping a separate bowl for the seedless dates so they don't get mixed up. Once all the seeds are removed, rinse the dates under clean running water. I'll be using a colander to strain them, which helps remove any insects or sand that may have settled at the bottom of the bowl. Now that the dates are clean, we're ready to blend them into a smooth paste. For this step, you will need a blender, a spatula, clean drinking water, and a storage container. The type of container depends on how you plan to preserve the paste. Use a glass jar or plastic container if refrigerating. But if you're storing in the freezer like I am, a plastic container works best. Make sure your blender is clean and ready. Add the dates and pour in some water. The amount of water depends on how thick you want your paste to be. Also keep in mind that the paste will thicken further as it cools. After the first round of blending, you will notice the paste isn't completely smooth yet. The goal is to blend until smooth, but if you prefer a chunkier texture, you can stop here or blend just once more. Personally, I like mine very smooth, so I'll blend about 3 to 4 more times. Notice how the paste gets thicker with each round of blending compared to the first. At this stage, use your spatula to scrape down the sides of the blender and scoop out any paste from the lid before blending again. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you will always be the first to know when I upload new videos. And that's it. Our homemade date paste is ready. Clock it. You can clock that. You did it. You did this yourself. Look how smooth, thick, and delicious it is. This is exactly the texture I aim for because it blends beautifully into any meal. You can add this paste to pap, oatmeal, zobo drink, smoothies, or even baked foods. That's how versatile dates is, and that's exactly why I love dates. Finally, transfer the paste into your storage container and keep it in the refrigerator or freezer. Have it in mind that dates are delicate and can spoil quickly if not kept cold enough. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.